God is the Big Bang. Uncertainty.
With the evidence for the beginning of the universe so strong, some atheists question the first premise of cosmological argument, the law of causality. This is dangerous ground for atheists who typically pride themselves on being champions of reason and science. As we have pointed out before, the law of causality is the foundation of all science. Science is the search for cause, and if you destroy the law of causality, then you destroy science itself. Atheists attempt to cast doubt on the law of causality by citing quantum physics, specifically Heisenberg's uncertainty principles. This principle describes our inability to predict the locations of speed and subatomic particles, i.e. electrons. The atheist's contentions here is this: if causality at the subatomic realm isn't necessary, then maybe causality of the entire universe isn't necessary either. Fortunately for science, this atheist attempt to cast doubt on the law of causality fails. Why? Because it confuses causality and predictability. The Heisenberg uncertainty principle does not prove that the movement of electrons is uncaused. It's only described our inability to predict their locations and speed at any given time. The mere fact that we can't predict something doesn't mean that something has no cause. In fact, quantum theorists acknowledge that we might not be able to predict the speed and locations of electrons because our very attempts of observing them are the cause of their unpredictable movements, like the beekeeper putting his head in a beehive. We must stir them up in order to observe them. Hence, the disturbance may be a case of the science looking at his own eyelashes in the microscopes. In the end, no atheist theory even adapts or refutes either the premise of the cosmological argument. The universe had a beginning. Therefore, it needed a cause. Something had to cause it.